How to use Google Calendar for scheduling. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about how you can manage your schedule using Google Calendar. So let's dive right in. First of all, head over to calendar.google.com and log in into your account. After you do that, you can then start creating your schedule. So here you can see there are the dates here. This is in weekly form. If you want it to be monthly, you can tap on this week option, tap on month, and there you go. So after you do that, let us just go back to the week now. And let's say that I want to create my weekly schedule. So for that, all I have to do is tap on the create option. Then I can choose what I want. So if I have a task to do on a certain day, I'll just select task and add it a title. So let's say create a video. So after I do that, I can change the date if I want to. So I'll just keep it at this date here. Then I can add a deadline. So I'll just set the deadline at 26 and add a description. So after you do that, here you can select my task option, leave it at that, and here you can tap on save. So this is specifically for a task. Here you can see a task has been created. Now I can do the same for appointments as well. So if I tap on the create option again and tap on appointment schedule, here I can select appointments. I can select appointment duration. So let it be at 1 hour. And if I want for it to repeat, I can just select repeat. I'll just keep on do not repeat. Then finally, after all's done, after you've set all the settings here, tap on next. You can add a description, you can add a location, you can add booking page, photo and name and everything. So I'll just write hospital. And after everything, you can tap on save. So doing that will create another event or basically an appointment, and it's just going to stay there. Finally, there is another option called event, which you can click on it. And let's say there is a concert that you want to go to. I can just keep it at concert. I can add guest if I want. I can add location as well. And finally, tap on save. And there you go. And that's how you do it, guys. That's how you can schedule your entire week or even your month using Google Calendar. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.